Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Callie Cat is over there snooping in the clutter. Yes, because only half of this room is done. The rest of it is still storage. We're not here to talk about that though. As you know, I just ramble. What are you doing, Miss Callie Cat? She's like, I gotta see what's going on. She has to figure out where her place is. You know, when I was in the other room, she was always behind me in the windowsill. Now she's got to figure out where her happy place is. Oh my goodness, y'all, we have an Ipsy bag. Y'all, I did put Ipsy on pause for a while, so this may be the last one you see for a while. I'm trying to go more towards the clothes and stuff again, and especially since I've scaled the channel down. Hopefully that'll work. We'll see what happens. You know, it's always a venture here. It's always an adventure here on Unboxing Discovery by G. Yes, always an adventure. Ipsy, let me tell you about Ipsy. So Ipsy is a makeup and beauty subscription. They have 3 different subscriptions you can do through Ipsy: the base, the plus, and then their seasonal box that's X, Glam Bag X. Now the base, which that's what this one is $13 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee. They give you 5 items ranging from sample sizes to full size products. You get to pick one of those 5 items with this one. If you go for the step up, which is the plus, all 5 of your items will be full sized, and that's $28 a month plus that $1.99 handling fee. You get to pick 3 of those 5 items. Now, the Glam Bag X will replace one or the other of those every 3 months because it's a seasonal box. You get 7 to 8 full-size products curated by the celebrity they pick for that season. It's supposed to be worth about $350. You pay $58 plus that $1.99 handling fee. You get to choose 3 of those products. Also, that gives you access when you subscribe to Ipsy to their Ipsy store, where you can get great deals on all these products and more. So many good brands. So many good brands. So if you want to try Ipsy, I do have a referral link down below. It does help me out if you use it, so thank you so very much. I think it'll still help me out. I mean, I don't know now that I paused my subscription. But anyway, let's discover ourselves with Ipsy, because that's what it says. Discover yourself. Oh my good gracious. Oh my good gracious. Hang on. We got to do a big reveal on this one. It's purple and fuzzy. It's purple and fuzzy. There's fuzz flying off of it. And then it's got green and pink zipper with it. That's too cute. This is adorable. This is going to go in my purse with a pink little Ipsy pull. I love having fun bags in my purse. This says January 2023, the year of you. Forget reinvention, throw resolution out the door, never mind starting over. This year just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy. Perfecting your skincare routine, experimenting with nail art, find time to read, or reconnecting with friends. I used to do nail art, y'all, and now I hardly ever paint my nails. Oh well. The moment you've been waiting for. 5 new products valued at $50 or more are yours. Look, isn't that cute? So inside are my products. Girl Gone Glam. You might know her as Miss Murder Mystery and Makeup, or you may recognize her unmatching makeup skills from your Instagram feed. But we're excited to offer Dub Bailey Surian as our February Glam Bag X curator. Next month, embrace your dark side with her Glam Bag X, where dramatic makeup and no holds barred glamour give you a guaranteed glow up. All right, I gotta look her up now. Hang on. All right, well, she's pretty neat. She actually does her makeup while she talks about true crime. She does have a YouTube channel, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to subscribe to her and see what she's all about. A lot more followers than me. Woo-wee. Okay, so anyway, we're going to move on and see what's inside of here. my 5 little products. I'll show you the rest of the bag. It's green on the inside, and of course that easy to clean material. All right. So this is POLAAR. It's Ice Pure. Gentle scrub with Arctic cotton. I've gotten a lot of these POLAAR products. I've never been super blown away with them, but they're not a bad product. I've never wanted to go out and had to buy more of it or anything, but it's fine. POLAAR Gentle Scrub Ice Pure with Arctic Cotton. Buff your rough, congested skin and reveal a glowy complexion with help from this gentle exfoliating scrub that uses silica beads and volcanic lava to help smooth away dead skin cells, while Arctic Cotton from Scandinavian countries help to soothe and hydrate. Where are you going, baby girl? Like a little maze for kitties. So this is a deluxe sample. The full-size product is $29. The tip is use this in the shower for a spa-like facial treatment. So it is good because my scrub that I do use in the shower is almost empty. But I'm not going to open this right now because I like to wait until it's empty before I open the next one, because I got so many products, I just let them go bad. I won't do that. Okay. Next, what is this? Beauty Vault Mascara. All right. Beauty Vault Mascara in black. Coat your lashes in this high pigmented long wear mascara that helps give you length, volume, and fuller looking eyelashes that last and last, even in water. This is a full-size product. It's $18. The tip: for bold lashes, wait until your first coat is dry before layering on a second. Now, who's got time for that? Really? I'm just impatient. Let me see if I can get this open. I don't love it when the writing comes off on the plastic. Then if I need to go back and read anything, I have to keep the plastic. I don't love that. All right, so I don't know this brand. I like getting different brands. And I want to see the wand. Have you come to see us, baby girl? I didn't light the candle today, so you're safe. Hey, baby. You want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. All right, let's see. Ooh, it's got one of those thin sides and a little bit of a thicker side. I do kind of like those kind of wands because then you can kind of use the side that you want to use. Interesting smell. I mean, chemical, but almost sweetie. Weird, weird. Okay. Curious to try that one. Next, we have a liner from, I can't read that. Yeah, now I got a cat in my way. REINA Rebel Eye Defining Pencil in Rebelde, R-E-B-E-L-D-E, Rebelde. I just can't, y'all, today. I just can't. So full-size product is $17. It says one swipe is all you need to get full intensity color with this eyeliner pencil. The saturated blacker than black pigment glides on smoothly and once set stays on for the long haul, up to 24 hours, on land and in water. It says tip: draw on and smudge to your desired look. It sets quickly, so do one eye at a time. Okay. Interesting. Okay. I mean, it went on pretty smooth. It smudges fairly well. We'll see how it sets. I kind of like this type of pencil that's a little bit of a softer pencil to go on my eyes, especially since I tightline. So I do kind of like that. I'm going to have to zoom in to give y'all closer looks. Oh, next is IT Cosmetics. I like IT Cosmetics. This is Hello Results Wrinkle-Reducing Serum-in-Cream. Say hello to gorgeous, glowing results when you use this cream enriched with niacinamide, vitamin B5 and E, and 2 different kinds of retinol to help jumpstart your cell's natural turnover process without irritation or drying. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of a full-size version is $69. So, you know, they are a little pricey, but I do like the IT products. I tried the one that's supposed to decrease the pores. I don't know. I didn't use it every single day. That was my problem. If I'd used it every single day regularly, I think I would have saw more of a difference. But since I didn't do that, anyway, that's why I don't do product reviews, because I am so bad about just grabbing what I see and not using the same stuff over and over again. Okay, tip. Start off using every other day or night to get your skin accustomed to the formula. If it's sealed, I'm going to leave it sealed. It's not. Okay, it is a cream. And it's kind of yellowy. Very faint, but ooh, it made me instantly soft. Like instantly soft. I kind of dig that. Okay. I feel like there's less wrinkles in that little bitty spot, y'all. This impressed me. That impressed me. Okay, that I might pay the price just to see. I'll have to try it out. Am I waving my hands too much for you, child? She's like, what? Huh? What? This is Palm Color Affair nail polish with avocado oil. It says it's in mauve. Polished in on the mauve, but this says be good. So maybe it's a different color. Who knows? Get the ultimate mauve colored mani at home in just a few swipes. It's 7-free, meaning no nasty toxins, and boasts high shine and high color payoff. This is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is $6. Wait for your first coat to dry completely before layering on a second thin coat. Okay. Let's look at it. There's nothing pretty nails can't fix. That's what it says on the side. Looks like the picture. I don't know why it says one thing and the other. Let's put it on my thumb, because that's what I do. Oh, it's a pretty color. That's lovely. Look at that. That's a lovely color. I really like that color on my skin. It's not too showy. It's not too bold. It's just a pretty color. I do like that. Okay. Yay for that. So what did we think of this box? I thought this was fairly good for, you know, $14, $15. I got a full-size eyeliner, a full-size mascara. I got the Polar Ice Scrub Deluxe sample. I got the sample of the IT Serum, which I'm really excited about. And I got the nail polish, which I really love the color of. How much was that? I would pay $6 for that. I would pay $6 for that color. And I got the cutest of bags. It's as soft as my kitty cat. So what did y'all think? I want to hear y'all's opinions. Have y'all tried any of these brands? Do you like it, not like it? Sorry, Callie, my foot's falling asleep. Y'all, don't forget to press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I do appreciate it so much. Press the like button. Press the notification bell, and if you want to donate to the creator, you know how to do it. Those 2 different ways, the button or the Buy Me a Coffee. The link is below. Y'all, thank you so very much for spending part of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful, and God bless.